Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about a new cue card. This is a cue card about describe a place where there was a lot of noise. So this is the cue card of 2023. Okay, so here's the intro. In this intro, you can say that in an Occidental culture, this becomes a difficult to explore serene environment due to the industrialization as well as the uses of private transit. Here I would like to talk about a place where is several affected by noise pollution. So this is the intro. If you do the same intro, you can easily get 6.5 to 7 band scores, because intro is the most important thing to attract the examiner by giving your intro. Okay, so here is the story. In this story, you can say that a couple of months ago in a stadium there was a concert, function, or we can say that any kind of things like matches and so on. Okay, that stadium is stone away distance from your house. Okay, that stadium is so huge. Okay, that usually is used for matches, functions and national ceremonies. Okay, on concert they use a huge speaker for music purposes. Okay, जो concert सीगा music सीगा वो जो बड़े speaker use किए सीगे, so the sound system बहुत ज़्यादा loud सीगा, so they used a huge speaker for the sound system. More than 500 people visited on that concert. Okay, we have two ideas. Okay, in this one is for the you are excited, that you are happy, and that one is for you are sad. Okay, so आप दोनों excited चलाएंगे. Excited चलाएंगे. I was so excited because one of my favorite singer visited there, and I have curiosity to watch live show. Okay, so this is all about your happiness. And if you're talking about your sadness, you can say that I had exam and I distracted a lot due to the loud noise. Okay, if we are talking about the happiness, we can say that I made a vlog and posted on social media, and I got so many compliments and comments on that particular video or a picture. Okay, and you also mentioned that when the concert starts. Okay, the concert starts from 7 o'clock to the midnight. Okay, so on the very next day, this is all about the sadness. On the very next day, I had a science exam. Okay, so I accomplished lower grades. You didn't get your perfect scores, or you didn't get your that much scores, so this is really affected your academic life. Okay, so in the end you can say that there was a place which creates a lot of noise. Okay, so there was a particular time in which you have to say a concert or a kind of function or whatever you like to say. So this is the all cue card about the noise. Okay, well, thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your near ones. Well, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Listen.